One of our favorite finds from a trip to the Peruvian Amazon was a pepper so tiny it could be easily overlooked in the crowded city markets. Small yet mighty, the ají charapita is a delightful pea-sized pepper from the Peruvian Amazon. Baker Creek's Shani McCabe and Deb Vlietstra were humbled by the hospitality of their new friends in Peru, and in each kitchen they visited, they noticed a small potted bush covered in little orange-yellow fruit. Turns out that this ubiquitous pepper is a must-have kitchen spice for countless Peruvian cooks. Its bushy habit makes it an excellent potted plant, perfect for keeping within arm's reach of cooking. And because peppers are perennial in frost-free locations, these plants provide almost year-round seasoning. Ají peppers, or Capsicum baccatum, are native mainly to South America and the Caribbean. This pepper family is characterized by fruity flavor and moderately high heat, making for a sensational flavor experience. They're not nearly as hot as an habanero, so the fruity flavor is more pronounced. Ají charapita is considered a finishing spice. The peppers are crushed whole, usually against the back of a spoon, and added after cooking as a tropical, spicy touch to soups, meat dishes, or rice. While this pepper is ubiquitous in Peruvian kitchens, it's virtually unknown outside its homeland. The very small peppers are too labor-intensive for large-scale harvest, and making a profit from them is daunting. But Shani and Deb found a couple of sources for the ají charapita, including Eloisa, a local farmer and educator from Iquitos. Eloisa cooked for them in her outdoor kitchen, and like many cooks, she had an ají charapita plant growing near the stove. She shared seeds from the tiny pepper, and Shani and Deb were happy to spend hours extracting the minute seeds from their pods. We're excited to see the ají charapita become the next great culinary houseplant.